Ini press conference ni muli shungka tabu kesangmani zorawo edisi hafang sini bigra khangra rodno blanket eba kombol bagnani kaisa scheme jeng nahar gaise এবং this is the first time প্রথমবার 8000 blanket जों चिनि एडिसि नि बिग्रा खांग्रा रंबागै जों बागनान थाङै दङ लुधियानानि फैनायाव कम्बल এবং महाराज सह चिनि एन्टायर एग्जिक्यूटिव कमिटी नि बरग्रुप जों ब्लैंकेट नो जाजाय खलायखो चिनि फिनान्शियल एबिलिटी नि बिसिंगो जेटा जोंबोथ' चिनि आसक एबिलिटी गाहामिया फिनान्शियली आबुनि बिसिंगो पानो जों चुक्तै जों नुखा आ क्वालिटी नो जों बासायखिखो सैंपल कॉपी बो जों ना रखायथे 8000 blankets जों फर्स्ट स्टेज चिनि बरं बागै जों बागनाय है और कुनो गोबां केबो किचा मांखा केबो हायिंखा आ डिस्प्यूट थांगियानि बागै very tactfully जों 8000 blanket नो 587 village committee ni bisingo divide khai naika प्रत्येक village committee ni bagi 13 ta kombol जों bagi man hoyse and this blanket is going to be double mo blanket kintu single blanket ya borok khorogni kaham glai chummanani moto blanket जों bagnai hai so 13 blankets per VC kai जों calculate khai nika it comes around about 7600 something fine and remaining the blanket tongmani our headquarter जों toninai प्रत्येक zonal फाइनाय 13 तारिख डिसेम्बर बेलायचिनि बागै कथार कायसा साला दिनो चिनि महाराजा किरीट विक्रम मानिकनि आचायमानि साल ओ साल नो रगैचन खादुं खाजानि बिसिंतै सेरेमोनियल celebration नि बिसिंतै जों म ब्लैंकेट नो प्रत्येकटा जोनल ऑफिस जों बागनाय symbolic so in the first stage every zonal 200 blankets तिनी 10 तारिख तिनी बिसिंगनो थां सगै बायनाय এবং 13 तारिख चिनि लोकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एबा एग्जीक्यूटिव मेंबर Chief Executive Member, Deputy Chief Executive Member, Chairman, Honorable NBCs, Borongni leadership, Borongni presence, symbolic, जों blanket bagnai 13 तारिख December चिनि थै थांजानाय बबाग्रा किरीट विक्रम मानिकनि आचायमान साल ओमो चिनि मो announcement नि बागिनो जों दिनै वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस खाया और प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चिनि ऑनरेबल एमडीसी मजां धीरेन्द्र देव वर्मा वो और उपस्थित दङ हामबाय जोनल ऑफिस जों सिम्बॉलिक बागनाय चेंगी दिनाय हैसे मो इनागुरल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आबो नुलो प्रत्येक सब जोनल ल थां सगिने then they will collect from there from village committee people will collect from the sub-zones. I have taken a scheme, blanket distribution scheme for 8,000 families in TTADC area, and this is the first time in the history of ADC administration we are going to distribute blanket for poor people in winter season. We have calculated 8,000 blankets can be distributed in 587 villages. Roughly it comes 13 blankets per village committee. And ceremonially, the first day of distribution will happen on the birth anniversary of the late Maharaja Kirit Vikram Manikka on 13 December 2021. So already 200 blankets have been dispatched from the headquarters to the zonal offices, and in the presence of the local MDCs or executive members Honorable CM, Deputy CM or Chairman, or if they are not there, any local leaders, in their presence, the inaugural distribution program will happen roughly from 11 o'clock in the zonal headquarters. And the question is thereafter what will happen. The blankets will be dispatched to the subzonal offices, and from there the village committee people will collect the rest of the blankets which are left out after the first day of distribution. So we are very happy to announce that this blanket is going to be double blanket. It is not a single. Two persons can easily use this blanket, and we have tried our level best to see the quality. The entire executive committee people, also in the presence of Maharaja, we have verified the quality, and it's coming from Ludhiana, and we are spending roughly I think 47-48 lakhs for this particular scheme, and this is going to be from our fund only. This fund will be utilized properly so that the poor people gets this benefit. Thank you.